Wolters Kluwer Tax Solutions is one of the most popular choices for sales tax software. But before you make a decision, there are 12 things you need to know. Whether you're a business owner or an accountant, this review will help you understand what Wolters Kluwer offers and how it stacks up against competitors in the field. Let's dive into it. The first thing to note is that Wolters Kluwer is well established in the tax software industry. Known for providing accurate and reliable tax calculations, it's trusted by businesses globally. But how does it compare to others like Avalara or TaxJar? While those platforms are also popular, Wolters Kluwer offers a slightly more comprehensive solution, especially for larger businesses with complex needs. Next, the user interface. While Wolters Kluwer's dashboard is functional, it doesn't have the same sleek, intuitive design that some competitors, like TaxJar, offer. It may take a little longer to get comfortable with the platform. For smaller businesses or those just getting started, the learning curve might be a bit steeper compared to some more user-friendly options. Now let's talk about integrations. Wolters Kluwer supports major accounting software like QuickBooks and SAP, but it might not be as seamless with e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce when compared to Avalara. Integration can require additional setup and adjustments, and this is something to keep in mind if you rely heavily on online sales. The fourth thing you need to consider is its pricing model. Wolters Kluwer offers tiered pricing based on usage, which might be beneficial for larger companies, but for smaller businesses, it could be more expensive than competitors like TaxJar or Sovos, which offer more straightforward pricing and plans that scale better for smaller companies. Another important factor is its customer support. Wolters Kluwer offers strong support through phone and email, but it lacks the 24/7 chat option available with other services like Avalara. If you need immediate help at odd hours, this could be a drawback. The sixth thing is tax rate updates. Wolters Kluwer is reliable in keeping tax rates up to date, but some users report that the process can be slower than other services. TaxJar, for example, is known for real-time updates. This difference might not be huge, but could be a deciding factor depending on your needs. Next up, the reporting features. Wolters Kluwer excels with detailed tax reports that help you track all your sales tax liabilities, which is useful for audits or just keeping records in order. However, it's not as customizable as competitors like Avalara, where you can tailor reports more specifically to your business needs. The eighth thing you should know is how well Wolters Kluwer handles exemptions. If your business deals with exempt sales or international tax rules, Wolters Kluwer provides robust features, but again, Avalara tends to offer a more flexible solution in this area. In terms of automation, Wolters Kluwer is good at automating many tasks, but compared to some newer competitors like TaxJar, the automation may feel a bit more rigid. TaxJar offers an easy way to manage exemption certificates and automate your sales tax calculations seamlessly. The 10th thing to consider is its scalability. Wolters Kluwer is a solid choice for medium to large businesses, especially those with global tax requirements. However, if you're a small business looking for something that grows with you in a more flexible, cost-effective way, you might find better options with TaxJar or Avalara's smaller packages. Another point to mention is its multi-jurisdictional capabilities. Wolters Kluwer supports tax calculations across various states and countries, but again, the integration and ease of use in some international settings may not be as smooth as Avalara, which is known for its superior global tax coverage. The 12th and final thing to consider is the ease of getting started. Wolters Kluwer's onboarding process is a little more complex than others, so expect a steeper learning curve. While it provides ample training resources, it's not as hands-on and guided as the simpler setup options offered by competitors like TaxJar. In conclusion, Wolters Kluwer Tax Solutions is a solid choice for businesses looking for reliable tax software, especially for larger operations. It provides comprehensive features, but may not be as user-friendly, flexible, or affordable as some of its competitors. It's a good option, but if you're looking for a better solution, check out our recommended option that you can try for free today.